Hi, I'm Lars Anderson, Engineering Services Manager with Semstone.
And I'm John Lee. I'm the Director of Business Development here at Semstone and also one of our engineers.
And today we are at Semstone Supply to talk about curing concrete.
Lars, what is curing?
Curing is the process of maintaining the temperature and moisture conditions of the concrete long enough for the cement hydration to develop the desired properties. John, why do we cure concrete?
Well, from an installation practice, curing is actually one of the most important steps. Curing, as Lars talked about, in terms of developing the desired properties, some of those properties are going to be strength, durability, and most importantly, surface durability. Lars, can you tell us a little bit about the 4 methods of curing?
Sure. The first method is water curing. This would include sprinkling or ponding the slab, keeping the surface continually wet. The second would be moisture retaining devices. This would include wet burlap or moisture retaining blankets. The third would be coverings, which would include craft paper or plastic sheeting. Be careful, as plastic sheeting can sometimes cause discoloration or mottling. The fourth method is most commonly used, which is the application of curing compounds. John, in terms of curing your concrete, when should the curing compound be applied?
Sure. The curing compound should be applied immediately after the final finishing operations. For exterior concrete, this would mean right after grooming.
We've now discussed what curing is, why we cure, and the 4 methods of curing. John, what happens if we don't properly cure the concrete?
Sure. As we all know, water is one of the main ingredients in concrete. Now that water is there to mix with the cement to create our cement paste. Now the water in our concrete also serves a purpose of internally curing our concrete. Now if that water is allowed to evaporate, or if the concrete is allowed to dry out, strength development stops, which directly affects the durability of the concrete, especially at the surface. Lars, can you tell us what we're trying to prevent when we cure properly?
Sure, we're trying to prevent plastic shrinkage cracking, craze cracking, scaling, and mortar flaking.
For more information about these, you can visit semstone.com and go to the Tools and Resources section. Once in the Tools and Resource section, you can find the National Ready Mix Concrete Association's Concrete in Practice. Or you can visit one of our Semstone Supply stores and talk to one of our experts, or contact your sales representative. Thanks for watching.